an advanced Power BI slicer, which is 100% free. Introducing Filter by Powerviz. Add the data and easily set it up in just 4 simple steps. Create stunning filter designs with pre-designed templates. Choose from canvas or pop-up mode. Customize the selection option with list, checkbox, or radio button. Keep items selected by default with default selection. Add single or multiple hierarchies and display data clearly. Have blank values or categories in data. Manage them with ragged hierarchy support. With advanced title bar filter, the items based on their values with filter option with just a few clicks. Keep the selected items on top with just a single click. Add images to your slicers to make them more interesting. Search multiple items at once with the bulk search feature. Copy and paste the list to search items. It is also loaded with selection mode control, conditional formatting, and import or export theme features. Upgrade your filter experience in Power BI with Filter by Powerviz. Download this 100% free visual today. Available on Microsoft App Source.